大家好，欢迎来到我的小博客。Hi, welcome to my channel. We are learning Chinese together here. Subscribe if you are not a member yet. In this short video, I will talk about the auxiliary word de, and most importantly, when it is absolutely necessary and when you can and should drop it. We will start with the basic functions of de and then proceed to the possible omissions. Use the time codes in the description if you want to study a specific part. So there are four main functions of de. The first one is to indicate possession. 我的杯子在哪儿? Where is my cup? 这是老师的手机. This is the teacher's phone. The second function of de is to modify a noun. The function for which in English we use preposition of. For example, 这条裙子的颜色, the color of this skirt. 这本书的作者, the author of this book. Chinese language has a broader sense of modification, and in Chinese we also use de for situations which in English would be more like location. For example, 北京大学的学生, the students at Beijing University or the students of Beijing University. 这里的水果很好吃. The fruits here are very delicious. De is also used between a two-syllable modifier and a noun. A two-syllable modifier is either a two-syllable adjective, like 漂亮 or 便宜. 那个漂亮的女孩是我妹妹. That beautiful girl is my sister. 便宜的房子都卖完了. Cheap houses are all sold out. Or it can be a one-syllable adjective and an adverb. For example, 很贵, 很好, 很近. 王老师有一个很大的房子. Mr. Wang has a very big house. So 很大的房子, 很大, yeah, is a two-syllable modifier and then you have a noun, so you put de in between. 很大的房子. And de is also used between a relative clause and the noun to which it refers. 要买票的人请排队. Please, people who want to buy tickets, line up. So 要买票的人, yeah, those who want to buy tickets. Mind the word order. In Chinese, we have a relative clause first, and then we have a noun, but in English it is the other way around. Some other examples of this function. 喜欢看中国电影的人要学习汉语. People who like to watch Chinese movies should learn Chinese. Again, modifier comes between the noun, and there is de in between. 昨天跟你去看电影的女孩是谁? Who is that girl who went to the movies with you yesterday? Again, first you have a modifier, which is a big long phrase in itself, then you have de, and then you have the noun to which it refers. Also, a note worth mentioning is that in such relative clauses, you don't need le. For example, you want to say, 昨天我买了一本书. Yesterday I bought a book. But if you say, 我昨天买的书很有意思, yeah, in the relative clause there is no le. Okay, so these were the basic functions of de. Now let's see where we can drop it. You don't need de between a personal pronoun like 我, 你, 他, and the word family or a family member. 我家, my family. 你妈妈, your mother. 他哥哥, his elder brother. This also applies to friends, girlfriends, and boyfriends. 我朋友, my friend. 你女朋友, your girlfriend. We also drop de between a personal pronoun and an organization when the person belongs to it but doesn't own it. For example, 我们公司, our company. 你们学校, your school. 他们班, their group. In such cases, you normally use plural. Even if, say, you're talking to a Chinese person and you want to say my country, you still say 我们国家, 你们国家. Next, one-syllable modifiers usually do not need de. 我有一辆新车. I have a new car. But 我有一辆很小的车. I have a very small car. 很小 is a two-syllable modifier, so we add de. 很小的车. There is a small exception to this rule. When a speaker is making a distinction, one-syllable modifiers still require de. 小的苹果给我, 大的苹果你自己吃. Give me the small apple and the big apple, eat it yourself. Next, With two-syllable modifiers, we usually need the. But the same as in English, when we say bathroom floor or party leader, we treat such phrases as one compound noun. Same in Chinese. When a modifier doesn't really describe a noun, but more like blends together with it to make one compound noun, we also drop the. 房间号 room number. 德国啤酒 German beer. 老年人 senior people. 中国菜 Chinese food. 流行音乐 popular music. 女权主义 feminism or 大学老师 university teachers. That was a lot of information. Now let's practice. Okay, so comment below how many correct answers you've got. Also, please comment whether it was easy to understand. I always struggle how deep I should explore a topic because I know that everybody's level is different, but I still want to make sure that each of you gets some new insights, even about such basic topics as particle the. Okay, 谢谢大家耐心观看，下次再见，拜拜。